It's been 5 weeks since Alex top dressed his lawn. Let's check out those results. Hello YouTube. Welcome to Project Golf Course Lawn Season 5, and this is also a 5-week update following Alex top dressing his lawn. He's out of town today, so I decided I'd give you guys an update anyway. I didn't want to make you guys wait too long, so I want to show you guys the state of the lawn. So overall, that's not going to work. You're right, it needs to be double cut. Much better. As you guys know, I'm never one to leave well enough alone, so I'll show you guys the state of the lawn now. Just finished double cutting it. Again, the color is a little bit yellower than probably what you guys would like to see, but more than I'd like to see, and that's only due to the fact that it's cut just a touch lower than it's used to being cut. I think because the Greensmaster that I just used on the lawn is set to 0.70, and I think Alex was cutting maybe a 1/4 of an inch or so taller. That's where we're getting a little bit of yellowing, but that is gonna go away because I'm gonna get a chance to cut it 1 or 2 more times before he gets back onto the rest of the lawn. So there's the swale area looking very stripy and swaley. And then as you guys remember, one of the primary goals was to get the vanity strip, my vanity strip, to be carried all the way up. And I think we accomplished that, guys. Again, we're only 5 weeks in, but if you look at how the vanity strip is looking now, the OG, and then we take that all the way up, that color and smoothness has been maintained pretty well all the way up there. So really happy about that. As we go on to the side lawn, you can see how this is coming along. Again, a little bit yellower than I would like, but that's largely due just to being cut with the Greensmaster. It was cut just a touch lower, but again, I'm probably going to cut it again a day or 2 from now, and being able to do that is gonna help it green up nicely. But overall, you can see how nice and smooth the turf is looking. Again, his other vanity strip continuation looking pretty good. And then the front lawn, I also double cut this as well. This I cut first lengthwise, which you guys can hopefully see fairly well, and then I cut it diagonally. So let me get you guys a shot of that. You guys can see the lengthwise stripe action looking pretty good, and then the diagonal stripe action where I got like this. So yeah, Greensmaster does a really good job. I think if I had like a week or 2 with it to where I could cut it consistently with that mower, you'd really see how much of a difference it can make. And then the rest of his vanity strip here, just to kind of show you guys how that is developing as well. Looking really, really good. Well guys, I mean, for for a 5-week lawn transformation, not bad. I mean, Alex has definitely put in a lot of work on the lawn, and it's really showing. You know, the cool thing about this is that it took me the better part of 2 years, almost 3 years, to get my lawn to look like how his looks, how we did it in 3 months. So hopefully that's some motivation for you guys to realize it doesn't have to take that long. I mean, granted, Alex did go hardcore in that, you know, he got the real mower, he did, you know, everything I suggested as far as applying the right products and mowing regularly. So, you know, it does take a lot of work, but literally, dude, within 3 months, I mean, look at that. Look how that looks. I mean, compared to how the lawn looked before to how it is now, it's a night and day difference. Again, the sun is not the best part of the sky right now for showing off stripes, but you know, color aside, again, largely due to it being cut a little lower than it's used to, like the contour and the smoothness of the lawn is top notch. Top notch, guys. Actually, you know, while I got you guys here, let me take you guys over to my lawn and show you how it looks, because after I cut Alex's lawn, I went over and cut my lawn. So if all you care about is the Alex's lawn update, you can sign off here. I hope you'll stay around for the end, but you know, I want to be respectful of your time. So I just also finished cutting my lawn. This time it was lengthwise, and overall, looking pretty good. Again, remember, Alex's lawn and my lawn were done on the same day. They were top dressed on the same day, and you know, our recovery has been equally good. You know, I'm really happy also, as you guys saw in my other video on Carbon Pro G, how nice and green this has come in ever since I started applying that product there. And let me show you guys that lengthwise stripe. Actually, let me get my face out of the picture and just show you guys the loveliness that is the Greensmaster 1600 on a well top dressed lawn. Pretty awesome. Well guys, thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Just want to show you guys, you know, how both lawns have been developing, and you know, I'm really happy with them. Hope you guys have been enjoying the journey. If there's anything that you guys want to see, you know, some topic you guys want me to cover, definitely leave me a comment below. You know, we're into September, so it's really now just really enjoying the lawn. All the major lawn renovation for the most part is done. It's just to continue cutting it, maybe add a little fertilizer here and there, but overall, just at the time of year when you just really enjoy the lawn. Again, thank you so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, and consider subscribing. I will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.